Now go to my next guest. I'm joined by Dr. Sudhakar because I'm now traveling to Karnataka, the one state that is really keen, we are told, to open up. Remember, Karnataka has already opened up, wants religious places of worship to open up from the 1st of June. Appreciate your joining us there, Dr. Sudhakar. What does Karnataka want from June 1st? We will put up the Bangalore opening up suggestions that you have in a moment. We've seen the Chief Minister, Mr. Yediyurappa, already announced the opening up of religious places. Are we going to see, Mr. Sudhakar, Karnataka opening up more and more? You've started with places of worship. Do you want to go beyond that also now?
Rajdeep, to be honest with you, it's a very tough call. But Karnataka was the first state, if you remember, that we started locking down our places of conjugations. Now, the Karnataka, after doing very well in containing this pandemic till date, now we will be the first state to even release our lockdown. See, going forward, we know that the lockdown cannot be a permanent solution to control or to contain this pandemic. So the coexistence will be the order of the day. We have to live with this virus. At the same time, we should ensure the livelihood will not bother, especially the working class people.
Okay.
So in order to kickstart the economy, we have taken this this kind of a decision. At the same time, before taking this decision, we have ensured our systems are in place.
Okay. Now, the key, all of you are saying we want to open up the economy from the 1st of June. The key, Mr. Dr. Sudhakar, to opening up, many people believe, is opening up public transport. Would you, for example, allow autos, taxis, metros to open up in a city like Bengaluru? Are you ready to take that chance from the 1st of June to open up public transport, a critical issue in a city like Bengaluru where people will have to travel long distances?
I think buses will not be an issue, but metro will have to rethink on that.
Okay. So you're making an important point to me. You're telling me that you are ready to open up bus services in Karnataka. Are you also ready to, on the other hand, you seem a little unwilling to open up the metro service. Am I correct? What's the difference?
Yeah, because the metros, as you know, it is in the AC medium, it is an enclosed medium. So the chances of contamination will be higher than the normal buses that operate in Bangalore.
You know, in lockdown 4.0, Karnataka, along with Kerala, took a big step forward. You allowed barber shops to open. In this phase, are you ready to take the next step, maybe open up restaurants, more public places, not just public transport, but public places, malls, restaurants? I want to understand, how far are you ready to go at the moment in Karnataka from the 1st of June?
Rajuji, in our task force committee,
yes,
we are ready with a complete, even if there is a complete free down of after the lockdown in the phase 5. But our systems we are trying to build in such a system that we have a rural strategy and we have an urban strategy. We will have a Gram Panchayat as our unit to combat all these principles of 4T in rural areas. Similarly, in urban areas, we will have what is called as a block or ward. Each ward will be that functional unit where we will have volunteers, elected representatives, health officers, education department, other few departments, so that the proper identification, screening of people using the technology and quarantine will be followed. See, this is the only way to go forward. We cannot quarantine everybody in our institutional, because we will have a limited capacity. Once lakhs of people are coming, it will be practically impossible for them to get institutional quarantine.
Now, but even as you decide to open up places for worship like temples, churches and mosques, how are you going to ensure social distancing? From the 1st of June, how does social distancing work out? Because you've said at the start, we have to live with the virus. Does that mean that we have to live with the concept that social distancing may not be as strict as it was in the months of March, April, May?
obviously we have to live with the virus, and the people or the citizens of this country also should take the responsibility to save themselves. So this should be a very strong partnership between the citizens and the government. Everything government cannot, bring the changes through enforcement only. This way of living should, the changes of the way of change in this living should be as a kind of culture in all our citizens. That is the change that we should all expect.
Dr. Sudhakar, I appreciate your joining us. We are going state by state today to find out what the states want from the 1st of June. That's the big question that a lot of you have. Remember...
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.